Happy New Year, guys. Wanted to just say we hope you had a great holiday season with your friends and families. I hope you enjoyed and partied in the new year safely. Hope things are going well for you. We're about a week into 2023. Thought this might be a good time to share with you,
give you an update of what our plans look like for 2023.
What are these crazy girls going to do this year? Well, first of all, we're currently in Arizona, and we plan on staying here in the southern Arizona desert until about March, early March. We're going to take this time to visit with friends we have down here and just relax and enjoy the desert, which is really beautiful, by the way. Last year was my first year visiting the desert, spending any time in the desert, and I'm just blown away by the beauty. Spectacular.
Yeah. So unless it gets too hot here, we're going to hang out and explore this area for a while.
Explore. Visit friends. We've got a lot of friends that live here full time and who seasonally, like us, come down this way. We're also going to have an opportunity to do a little bit of work, which we'll tell you about later. In about early March, this is where things get a little, we're not sure exactly how it's all going to work out, but early March is when we're going to make a shift in what we're doing.
A transition.
Big transition. So the big goal for the year, my big goal for the year, is to return to the Appalachian Trail.
What?
Huh? I'm going to get back on the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to thru hike it. Hopefully 2023 is the year to actually finish this thing and not have to press the pause button again. Third time's a charm, maybe?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is Chris's absolute passion.
Yep. Have to do it.
For me, it's just would be a cool thing to do, and I love doing it, but I'm going to stay with Bailey.
It's been a struggle to kind of really come to this decision that I will do it by myself. But it's looking like if I'm going to do it, this is the only way it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's time. So third time's a charm. Get her back on trail.
Yeah, we can't keep putting our lives on hold for 6 months. In 6 months, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So in early March we're gonna start planning for that. My start date is going to be late March, early April. I haven't buttoned down a date yet, but it'll be late March, early April.
Chris actually has all of her stuff with her in the van, her backpack and all the stuff. So
I brought everything with the idea in the back of my head that just maybe I could make it work.
So Bailey and I will be in the van. We're not sure what our life looks like yet. We might tentatively follow Chris on the trail. Obviously not at every trailhead and being trail magic the whole way up. That's just way too much.
Yeah, it'd be great if every couple weeks we could plan to have Sherry show up and help me out. That'd be great. That's possible. That's option one.
That's a scenario. I could stay here, go back to the Northwest and just hang out. Not sure. Could hang in the Carolinas and hang out. We're not sure exactly what I'm going to do.
It's literally very muddy as to how this is all
whatever it is, it doesn't matter because the goal is to get Chris back on the trail.
That's what we're doing. So that's the major thing that's happening this year is that I'm going to get back on the Appalachian Trail.
Yahoo!
When that's over, which will be sometime late summer, early fall, we have an opportunity to go to work. We have a standing job offer with our friends in South Carolina. Barry owns Fire and Ice outdoor gear.
Makes bushcraft items.
If you've seen any of our previous videos where we had an opportunity to work with our friend John and Missy traveling outside the bots, John came down to South Carolina, did a couple vendor shows, and we worked with him. So we had an opportunity to get really good hands-on, learn about the products, the process, how Barry runs his business, and he's invited us to work with him and do what John does, go to vendor shows,
sell the bushcraft gear,
sell his products.
Yeah, vendor shows. So that's our plan.
And heading back down to South Carolina to finalize all that stuff we need to with Barry, get everything buttoned down for a completely new venture of working on the road. I think it's about time we start working a little bit. And this is a fun thing to do. This is right up our alley. We love to, learn new processes of things. We love to learn about new things, and learning about how Barry runs his company and makes his products is really fascinating. We love to meet new people and talk to new people. So doing vendor shows just makes sense. We can interact with a lot of new folks and a variety of people. And then traveling. It will allow us to travel, to continue to travel, and
So
do what we really like.
Yeah. So this should allow us to
Mhm.
travel and make money. Which
Absolutely.
We're going to have to do anyway, whether it's doing beet harvest and working for Amazon or all those kind of things.
I still wouldn't mind doing the beet harvest at some
So,
point.
yeah.
That just sounds like fun. But yeah, this is a great opportunity for us to start doing that. So we started the new year. We want to thank all of you. We started the new year with over 500 subscribers. Thank you so
that's
very
great.
much. That's fantastic.
That's great.
We hope to continue to grow our channel as we do more fun things and learn new things. And also, we had our first Buy Me a Coffee donation this year. Thank you so much for that. That is always helpful for us. Allows us to keep putting gas in the van. I don't know if you can see that in the background there, but helps to keep us on the road. And we appreciate all your support, whether it's with your kind words or little coffee donations or anything you do to support us is greatly appreciated. So thank you. That's about it, I think.
That's our
year. Anyway, so I said we'd be in Arizona here for a while and working and getting back to that.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to be working in Quartzsite at the end of January for Barry. He's coming here to do his show at the Quartzsite Big Tent Show. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, we have an opportunity to work.
So that's
in the next few weeks. So the next couple weeks coming up, we'll be doing that with Barry. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's our plan.
If 2020 has taught us anything, it's that plan, but be flexible. Thank you so much, everybody. We really enjoy what we do, and we appreciate you very much.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.